Hi guys, it's me, Briggs, and welcome back. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And insert ko lang itong intro at saka yung outro. So, today is April 9, 2022 and MACLET examination namin kahit holiday. So, nag-MAC exam kami and it's good to be back with MSU IIT and of course, aming College of Education. So, parang short, quick tour. Yung mga ano lang, kasi bawal yung phone during examination and yun. So parang quick tour lang talaga sa mga ganap kanina. So ito lang yung mga clips na nakuha ko. Sana ma-enjoy kayo. So let's watch this. Hi, good afternoon everyone. We're back at College of Education. So, ayan. Tawag nito. MACLET. MACJoblet. Hindi pa. Lunch muna, lunch. Ito.
Tugnaw kayo mayi. Tugnaw kayo mayi.
Wala. IDS mo na mo.
Lamig sa SED Amphitheater. So we're back. Namin malapit sa may EC. Ito na tao people. ayun na nga guys. That's it for our video. Sobrang quick lang, sobra lang ano yung mga ganap. And yun lang yung mga ganap. And I'm so happy na nakabalik ulit, na makapasok ulit to Dandan. I mean, it's good to be back sa school namin kasi it's been 2 years since pandemic started. And maraming mga nagbago sa school. And soon, sana mag face-to-face na para makita nyo din yung mga changes doon. So, yun lang yung mga clips na nakita ko. Quick tour sa school. And yun, sana na-enjoy kayo. And please do follow all my social media accounts down in the description box. And follow my TikTok account, Bricks_Tiguman. Yeah, tama. Basta Bricks Tiguman, ayun. And yun lang. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I upload a video. So, yun lang guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. This is Bricks Tiguman saying annyeong. Bye!